Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Welcome to the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. Why do we need sleep? Sleep is a biological necessity, not a luxury or a waste of time. Humans, like all animals, require sleep to maintain proper physical, mental, and emotional functioning. In this video, we'll explore why we need sleep, what happens during sleep, and what occurs when we don't get enough of it. Let's begin by understanding what sleep is. What is sleep? Sleep is a natural, reversible state of reduced responsiveness to external stimuli. During sleep, the brain remains active, but our consciousness and interaction with the environment are significantly diminished. Sleep consists of two primary types, non-REM and REM sleep. These occur in cycles throughout the night. Non-REM sleep includes 3 stages. Stage 1 is light sleep. Stage 2 is deeper. And stage 3, often referred to as slow wave sleep or deep sleep, is the most restorative. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, is associated with dreaming, memory consolidation, and heightened brain activity similar to waking levels. The average adult cycles through these stages every 90 to 110 minutes with 4 to 6 cycles per night. So, why do we need sleep? Sleep serves as a wide range of functions in the body and brain. These can be grouped into 4 broad categories: physical restoration, brain function, emotional regulation, and metabolic health. Physical restoration. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and maintenance processes. Growth hormone is released primarily during deep sleep, which stimulates tissue growth and muscle repair. This is crucial for recovery from injury and for physical development in children and adolescents. Sleep also allows for repair of cells and tissues, replenishment of energy stores, and strengthening of the immune system. People who sleep well are more resistant to infection, while chronic sleep deprivation can weaken immune function, brain function, and cognitive performance. Sleep plays a vital role in how we process information and form memories. Throughout the day, we acquire new information and experiences. During sleep, especially REM and deep non-REM sleep, this information is consolidated. The brain reorganizes and stores memories, linking them to past knowledge and making them easier to retrieve later. Inadequate sleep disrupts attention, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. Studies have shown that people who are sleep-deprived perform worse on cognitive tasks, have slower reaction times, and experience reduced concentration. Even one night of poor sleep can impair cognitive function, similar to having a blood alcohol concentration above the legal driving limit. Emotional regulation. Sleep is essential for regulating emotions. During REM sleep, the brain processes emotional experiences, helping us to respond appropriately to stress and emotional situations. When we don't get enough sleep, the amygdala, the part of the brain involved in emotional responses, becomes more reactive. This results in exaggerated emotional reactions, increased irritability, and reduced ability to cope with stress. Chronic sleep deprivation is also strongly linked to mental health disorders, including anxiety and depression. Metabolic and cardiovascular health. Sleep helps regulate metabolism and hormone production. It affects how the body processes glucose, which is crucial for energy. When we don't get enough sleep, insulin sensitivity drops, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Sleep also influences the levels of hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin increases appetite, while leptin signals fullness. Sleep deprivation increases ghrelin and decreases leptin, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Furthermore, inadequate sleep has been linked to high blood pressure, increased inflammation, and a general risk of heart disease and stroke. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? Short-term sleep deprivation can lead to difficulty concentrating, mood swings, slowed reaction time, impaired judgment, memory problems, and increased risk of accidents. Long-term sleep deprivation, defined as regularly getting less than 6 hours of sleep per night, is associated with serious health risks, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, weakened immune function, mental health disorders, and a shortened lifespan. In extreme cases, complete sleep deprivation over multiple days can lead to hallucinations and eventually breakdown of mental function. How much sleep do we need? Sleep needs vary by age. Newborns ages 0 to 3 months need to sleep an average of 14 to 17 hours per day. Infants 4 to 11 months need to sleep 12 to 15 hours per day. Toddlers in the 1 to 2 years age range need to sleep between 11 and 14 hours per day. Preschoolers ages 3 to 5 need to sleep an average of 10 to 13 hours each day. School-aged children ages 6 to 13 need to sleep an average of 9 to 11 hours per day. Teenagers ages 14 to 17 need to sleep an average of 8 to 10 hours per day. Adults ages 18 to 64 years usually sleep on average of 7 to 9 hours per day, while older adults ages 65 and older need to sleep an average of 7 to 8 hours per day. While individual needs may differ, consistently falling below the recommended range can lead to the health risks mentioned earlier. How to improve sleep quality? Improving sleep doesn't only mean sleeping more. Sleep quality is equally important. Here are some evidence-based strategies to enhance sleep. Maintain a consistent sleep cycle. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on the weekends. Create a bedtime routine. Engage in relaxing activities before sleep, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Limit screen time. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed, as blue light interferes with melatonin production. Ensure a comfortable sleep environment. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Get regular exercise. Physical activity during the day supports better sleep at night. Limit naps, especially in the late afternoon, as they make it harder to fall asleep at night. Sleep is not merely rest. It is a vital biological function. It affects nearly every system in the body and brain. Without enough high-quality sleep, physical health declines, cognitive performance drops, and emotional well-being suffers. Understanding the importance of sleep and taking steps to protect it is essential for overall health. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful ways we can take care of ourselves. Thanks for watching the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.